Alright, today we are doing pairs of linear equation part 2, and here we will be discussing about the methods of solving pair of linear equation. We have three methods. The first one is substitution method. Then we have elimination method. And then we have cross multiplication method. All these are the methods of solving pairs of linear equation in two variable, and all of these are simple. You observe me solve some of the questions and you'll get to know how to use these methods to solve pair of linear equation. The first is substitution method. Let us take a question. Suppose the question is x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. Now to solve this question we have to take them as equation 1 and equation 2. So we will call these as equation 1 and this is equation 2. X plus y equals to 14 as equation 1 and x minus y equals to 4 as equation 2. Now we will start solving from equation 1 and we will find out what is x in equation 1. So after getting what is x in equation 1, we will call it as equation 3. So let us start from 1. From equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 14. We will find out what is x here. So x is equal to 14 minus y. We got the value of x, so we can call it as equation 3. Now we got it from 1, so we will substitute this value in equation 2. Substituting x equals to 14 minus y in equation 2. So let us write down what is equation 2 here. Equation 2 is x minus y equals to 4, and we are going to change the value of this x. We got x as 14 minus y, so instead of x we will write 14 minus y, and remaining everything will copy as it is. Minus y will remain as it is, equals to, and 4 will remain as it is. Now we can solve this. Minus y makes it minus 2y equals to 4. This 14, if we move it to the other side, it comes as minus 14. Minus 2y equals to 4 minus 14 makes it minus 10. We can cancel this minus with this minus and we have y equals to 10. This 2, if we move it to the other side, comes as divide. Now we can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So we got equals to 5. We got y equals to 5. Y equals to 5. Now we got y equals to 5 and we can substitute this value in equation 3 to find out what is x. In equation 3 we told that x is equal to 14 minus y. So if we know what is y, we can also find out what will be x. So substituting this value of y in equation 3. Substituting y equals to 5 in equation 3. Let us write down what is equation 3 first. Equation 3 was x equals to 14 minus y. So x equals to 14 minus y. We got the value of y, so we will write it as 14 minus y is 5. So x is equal to 14 minus 5 gives 9. So we have therefore x equals to 9 and y equals to 5. This becomes the answer. Furthermore, let us see one more question. Suppose the questions are given in fraction. Say we have 3 by 2 x minus 5 by 3 y equals to minus 2. This is one equation, and another equation is suppose x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now to solve this, we can't directly name it as equation 1 and equation 2 because it is not simplified. We have to simplify this. So let us take this equation. We have 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2, and the other equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. Now we will solve both the equation and name it as equation 1 and equation 2. Here we need to take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now with this we have multiplied 3 to get 6, so here we will multiply 3. 3 3s are 9x, minus with this we have multiplied 2, so here we will multiply 2. 5 2s are 10y equals to minus 2. Now this 6 is divide here. If we send to the other side, it comes as multiply. So we have 9x minus 10y equals to 6 2s are 12 minus 12. This can be taken as equation 1. Coming to the second one, here also we need to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. With this we have multiplied 2, here we will multiply 2, it will become 2x. With this we have multiplied 3, so here if we multiply 3, it becomes 3y equals to 13 by 6. Once again this 6 is divide here. If we send to the other side, it comes as multiply. So we can write it as 2x plus 3y equals to 13 multiplied with 6 divided by 6. Here we can cancel. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. We have 2x plus 3y equals to 13. This becomes equation 2. Now we got our equation 1 and equation 2, and we can proceed solving this question like the previous question. So we will start from 1. So from equation 1. Equation 1 is 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12. We will find out what is x from here. To find out what is x, we need to send this to the other side. It becomes minus 12 plus 10y. Now only x we need, so we need to send 9 also to the other side. It goes there as divide. It is multiply here. If we send, it goes to the other side as divide. So we have plus 10y divided by 9. Here this becomes x, and this is x, and we call it as equation 3. We got the value of x from equation 1, so we will substitute this value in equation 2. We got it from 1 and we will put it in equation 2. Now substituting x equals to minus 12 plus 10y by 9 in equation 2. Now let us write down what is equation 2 here. Equation 2 is 2x plus 3y equals to 13, and we are going to change the value of x. Instead of writing x, we will write down the value. So here we have 2 as it is. Instead of writing x, we will write down the value of x, plus will remain as it is, 3y will remain as it is, equals to 13 will remain as it is. Now the value of x. The value of x is minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. Now to solve this, we need to remove the bracket. To remove the bracket, 2 will be multiplied with both of these. 2 into 12 makes it minus 24 plus 2 into 10 makes it 20y divided by 9 plus 3y equals to 13. Now to solve this, we need to take LCM. LCM is 9. These 2 will not change because the denominator is not changing. Minus 24 plus 20y plus. Now before it was 1, we are taking it as 9, so it should be multiplied with 9. The numerator should be multiplied with 9. 3 9s are 27y equals to 13. Now this 9 will send it to the other side. If we send 9 to the other side, it goes there as multiply. We have minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y equals to 13 into 9. 13 into 9 is 117. Now we can solve the like terms. We have here 20y plus 27y. 20y plus 27y will make it 47y equals to. Now we have 117 here. If we send this 24, it comes as plus 24 because it was minus on the other side. Now we have 47y is equal to, if we add up 7 1 2 4 141. Now only y will be equal to 141 divided by 47. Now 141 can be cancelled with 47. 47 ones are 47. 47 3s are 141. Now we got y equals to 3. Now after getting y equals to 3, we need to find out what is x. So we will substitute this value of y in equation 3. Equation 3 was this one. Here we can find out what is x if we put the value of y here. So y is 3, which we will put here, and we will get the value of x. So substituting y equals to 3 in equation 3. Now let us write down what is equation 3 first of all. Equation 3 is x equals to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. Now we will change the value of y. We will have x equals to minus 12 plus 10 into the value of y is 3 divided by 9. We have minus 12 plus 30 divided by 9. Now minus 12 plus 30 will make it 18 divided by 9, and it can be cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. We got x equals to 2. So therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to, the value of y was 3. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 is the answer.